Yo, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Kind of a quiet, somber afternoon today, eh, guys? I mean, it's a little bit red, a little bit sideways, but kind of quiet. There's not a lot of rumbling going on like on X, on Crypto X, or anything like that. So, very, very interesting. Very interesting. But let's get into some things here, guys. Swift Coin, phenomenal daily close for Swift, guys. We're going to have a look at it. But first, let's check out these bubbles, guys. JASMY down 8.3% on the day, up 7.5% on the week, down 14.5% on the month, but up 470% on the year. Even a rank at 72. $1.42 billion market cap, volumes up around 204.78 million. XCN, what do we got, guys? Down 8.8% on the day, down 6.4% on the week, up 1,160% on the month, up 2,250 on the year, down one spot in rank to 90, $983.61 million market cap, just a hair below a billion, guys. Just a hair below a billion. Volume's up 283.60 for volume. And we're going to look at Swift, guys, up 13.3% on the day. It looks like it wants to keep running. It wants to keep running. Now, I think that Swift probably would have continued running harder today, earlier today when it was trying to break out. But I think what happened was Ethereum failed to break out and rejected out of its bull flag and to the downside, and that kind of pulled altcoins down with it. But Swift is, it's still going, man. It's still going. So we're going to have a look at it, guys. Market cap's up now to 437 million. The volume is very high, 313 million. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look at some charts. Let's see what's going on. We'll check out JASMY first. What's going on there? All right, so JASMY kind of sucks, guys. We failed the breakout, right? Well, we broke out, but we failed the retest. We collapsed back inside of here again because of Ethereum. It's because of Ethereum, guys. So now we're back below the 100-day and the 30-day SMAs, which sucks, but it is what it is. We closed at 2 cents 889. We're starting to try to slowly creep back up. This is the level we have to break above, guys. We have to break above here and close above here at 3 cents 566. Because we have to put in a higher high. Right now, we're just putting in lower highs. That's all we're doing, right? Let's go have a look at XCN, guys. XCN, we had a close inside the bull pennant. I told you guys we might come down closer to the bottom of the bull pennant, and that's exactly what we did. Now, here we are at 3 cents even. Not bad. Good accumulation zone, guys. Very good accumulation zone. So keep that in mind. Let's also not forget about all the potential catalysts that are coming in the very, very near term here, guys. People keep asking me if Onyx Coin is a good DC opportunity right now. And my answer, quite simply, is yes. With so many catalysts coming in such a short amount of time, it could be a really, really good opportunity to scoop up and fill those bags. Swift Coin, let's check out this close, guys. If you recall, I told you guys earlier when this candle was red, this daily candle, we just had this candle close about 25 minutes ago from the time I'm recording this, and it closed green. And I told you guys when we were down here this morning, I said, I really want to see this candle close green, would be very, very bullish. We did that, guys. We closed up here at 4 cents 5, which is fantastic. Fantastic close. I think that is a sign that we're going to see further continuation to the upside here, guys. Right now, we have a red candle starting. It's only 25 minutes old, but, that's nothing. We could be way up here by later tonight. I think we may continue to run up later tonight. We wicked all the way up to 5 cents even, guys, and then wicked back down today. So very bullish. We have a bit of selling pressure right now, but that will dissipate, and I think we'll start to climb back up. Hopefully, we'll start to climb back up. That's what I'm looking forward to here. But this close was good. Very, very good. I wanted to see a green close, and we got that. Let's go have a look over at Bitcoin. So drop down to the 30-day SMA here. Right now it's sitting at $100,400. And we closed right above it. Now we are right back at, we're at $100,900 now, $974, sorry. Starting the candle green, again, only 25-minute old candle, but we'll see what happens. We got to get back up here and start retesting this $106,200 level. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing, okay? Now, it's the beginning of the month, but it's the weekend. So what that means is that we do have a potential dump on Monday or Tuesday, Monday and or Tuesday next week. And what that dump is these new tariffs that are being put in place. Is that going to affect the markets in a negative way? Well, it is entirely possible when we see markets open up on Monday. It's entirely possible that we see a dump to the downside. You know, it's not 100%, but it is a very strong possibility. So I would be ready for that, guys. Always be ready. I always have to make sure you guys are ready for all scenarios, positive and negative. So if you can have dry powder on the side waiting for a potential dump due to the tariffs that were announced yesterday on Friday, yeah, we'll have to see how the markets respond on Monday, guys. We won't know anything until the markets open up. I think that we could initially, I think we'll see a dump. And the reason for that is that nobody knows how everything's going to respond to these tariffs. And whenever you have that level of uncertainty in the market, people flock away from risk on assets, right? So because of that, you're going to see a bit of money, liquidity be pulled out of the markets. I think that's kind of what's going to happen. But we'll see. We'll see. I could be entirely wrong. Maybe we'll blast off to the moon on Monday. I just want to make sure you're ready, right? So as I'm speaking, Bitcoin's climbing back up $101,134. So that's very, very bullish as well. All right. So moving over to what do we have here? Onyx Coin tweeted this out. Gas refunds for their staking, claiming, and voting will now be distributed this weekend. Okay. So that means, guys, if you're unfamiliar with this, if you're staking your Onyx coin via the protocol, then you get your gas refund, your gas that you spend on your Ethereum gas that you spend on staking, claiming your rewards for staking, and or voting on the DAO. You get your ETH airdropped back into your wallet at the end of every month, right? It's reimbursed. We had a vote on that about 2.5 months ago. We had a vote on that. And it passed over on the protocol on the DAO. So now we get refunded every month on our gas fees. Everything basically that you do, except for unstaking. You don't get your gas refund for unstaking, because why would they pay you to unstake, right? That doesn't make any sense. So that's that. But they won't, just so you know, they won't like announce it. You won't get a notification that it was airdropped to you. It'll just be there. So just pay attention to how much Ethereum is in your wallet, because nobody's going to notify you. I had problems like that in the past where people were like, oh, I never got any notification. They didn't pay me back. Pay attention to how much Ethereum's in your wallet, and you'll see that they did drop it back to you. They have never failed to do it. So definitely check that out, guys. And listen to this, guys, from Matt. It says, jinx yourself. Now, we've been a lot of speculation on this 80888 arrow soon XCN. Now, this is a cryptic message that was put out by Onyx DAO last night. And we've had a lot of speculation. We had an interesting conversation last night over on the Patreon about it. A lot of very fascinating theories that make a lot of sense, right? But let's see what Matt has to say. He says XCN will be listed on Binance in the next few days. I wouldn't be completely shocked to see an announcement on maybe Monday or something that they're going to get listed. Now, normally what happens is you get about a 2-day notification or something like that. They'll say, like, Onyx Coin XCN spot trading will go live on Binance on Thursday or something like that, right? And then people ask me this as well, what's going to happen? Well, I mean, usually when you get an announcement like that for a Binance listing, for the next couple of days, for the day that the Binance listing is announced, and the next couple of days after that, leading up to the listing, the project generally pumps through the moon, okay? But then the day it gets listed, the day it actually goes live on Binance, you see a massive dump, okay? So be aware of that, right? Be aware of it. Decide what you want to do. Everyone keeps asking me what my exit plans are for XCN when I'm selling and stuff. Now, obviously, you're only going to get that answer if you're on the Patreon, right? But right now, I'm on hold. I'm on hold right now for what I'm going to do until I find out what's happening with the Binance listing. Also, I want to read the white paper that comes out on Monday. I want to know more about this XCN ledger that's coming out and so much more. So that's what I'll be paying attention to. That's why I'm on pause. This is a part of the puzzle / riddle. We'll see. But I don't believe that the Onyx DAO would put it out there without some significant meaning behind it. Exactly, right? They wouldn't be putting this out there if there wasn't something big coming, right? In correlation to this. Now, they're like I said, a lot of speculation, but I'm excited. I think it is a Binance listing, guys. I think that's what this means. Let me know what you guys think about it, though. I definitely want to know if you have a different theory. I'm fascinated by them. Now, guys, the last couple of gems that we called over on the Patreon started taking off within days of us calling it, right? And now there's another one that we're looking at, guys. Again, we think it's going to take off just like Onyx Coin has, just like XCN, guys, right? I always say this, you want to get in on these projects, guys, before they pump 2,000-3,000%, not after. You don't want to chase it after all the big content creators are talking about, and there's articles everywhere about it. That's too late. It's too late. You missed the pump, right? You're here to make money. So in saying that, guys, you want to get in on these plays. This next one we're looking at, guys, again, my bags are packed. Everyone's bags are packed over there, guys. We, on this Onyx Coin call that we made, guys, we printed over 25 7-digit portfolios for people. And many others hit 6 digits from only double digits, right? So you got to get over there, guys. You got to be a part of this. You got to get in early on these gems. There's no point in chasing green candles after they've already ran 2,000 or 3,000%, guys. I'm super jacked up about this play. My wallet's packed, stacked, and I think I'm going to get some more tonight, honestly, because things are down right now. So it's a good opportunity to get in on the opportunity, right? Don't miss it, guys. We will also be live tonight discussing these gems over on the Patreon. We do a live every night there, guys. It's a group video call, so you can join. You can see and hear everybody else. It's a phenomenal experience that no one else is offering on either Discord or Patreon, guys. So check it out. Get involved. Join the conversation. And on top of all of that, guys, you also get to schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally and so much more, guys. So get over there. Get involved in these projects before they pump. Join our lives over there. Book your one-on-one coaching AMAs. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.